Welcome to my Technology MD channel. Today we are going to review RGeek Aluminium Mini ITX computer case. This information is from Amazon. You can pause and review. This is some product comparison and description and some more product information taken from Amazon. And these are question answers, most of them related to the fan and ATX motherboard. Let's start our unboxing video without wasting time. Looks like no damage to the box. Let's open it up. Folks, I will be posting my video on Ryzen 5 build, so stay tuned. Okay, base looks okay and feet are intact. I like it has a vents at the bottom and on the top. Cool. Alright, let's take those packing material off. Looks like it has vents everywhere. Cool. Alright, let's take the plastic off and look for any damage, any scratch, any color fades. Looks good. I like the round corner. I like the power button flush with the case. Vents. Back of the ITX. Vents. Alright, cool. This is for power input. Okay, alright, so these are two USB 3.0. Power with LED. Very smooth finish. Motherboard screws and some zip tie. Alright, let's open the hood. There are two screws at the back. Okay. Alright, let's take off the cover. Okay, so this looks like it's for motherboard protection, and there are two USB attached to this frame. Let's take it out, all those four screws. Make sure keep this box away from your coffee. If you spill it, you are going to damage your motherboard because it has a lot of vents. Okay, this is a USB which goes to the motherboard, 3.0 USB connector, and this is power switch connector, also goes to the motherboard, one for LED. I think that LED is for hard drive. Okay, let's check the dimension. Okay, let's check the depth. 3, pretty good. You should be able to put a big heatsink. 7.5, almost 7.5. Usually ITX motherboard are less than 7, so it should be okay. Alright. Okay folks, so here are my 2 cents. This looks like pretty good quality. I also posted other ITX box review. Make sure you have a look and compare both the boxes before you purchase. I will be pretty soon posting other videos on Ryzen 5 build, so please stay tuned. I will discuss what kind of power supply you will be using and motherboard. Alright, have a beautiful and wonderful safe life. Thank you for watching.